Carlos Ramirez, owner of NVS Audio in Roselle, New Jersey and Daytona, Florida. Just had a mint condition 2013 Street Glide come in with, did a 4-speaker audio upgrade. So we did an NVS Audio Stage 2 and we upgraded the radio to the Soundstream. Went with the single DIN version, the newest Soundstream radio. Super clean look, looks amazing in this fairing. And simple upgrade, we did the Cicada FLX 700 Pro DSP amplifier, Cicada CHC in the front fairing, Hertz 690 Neos in the lids. He had a previous audio install done that he just wasn't happy with. Popular name brand amplifier, just didn't have enough RMS output power to give him the volume that he was hoping for. So the 700 Pro did that for him. He was amazed how the bike sounded. Check it out.
Dices que no tengo agallas, que soy un payaso, que le doy de todo, que estoy atrapado y que ya ha cambiado mi forma de ser. Dices que te arrepentiste, que ya lo pensaste, que no eres la misma que sin mí lloraste y que aún mereces todo mi querer. Déjame solo vivir esta vida que sabe a ternura, por más que llores, que ruegues. Yo soy el cantante, hoy han venido a escuchar lo mejor del repertorio. Ustedes voy a brindar y canto a la vida de risas y penas. Never try me, never still right by me. Living lively, highly spoken of, the only love, the only one. You're my wifey, make my life complete, sweet. But you know when I put the street free, only when it comes to me, see, that's why you're my wifey. You know, 'cause you have my mind blown.